Hi, I'm Adrienne Loukopoulos, an occupational therapist here at Freedom. With spring coming and the weather getting warmer out, we wanted to go over a couple tips for gardening this summer. A great way to protect your back and knees when gardening is to use a raised garden or flower bed. This prevents you from having to kneel for prolonged periods of time or bend over, causing back pain. When you are using a raised flower bed, though, it's important to have your tools and supplies up at your level. So what you'll want to do is, if you're using a bucket of dirt per se, is you'll want to bend down, use your knees and legs to pick it up and bring it to your height. That way you're not having to bend over and come back up over and over again. It's right here for you. When you're gardening, it's important to use long-handled tools such as a long-handled shovel or a long-handled shears. This prevents you from having to bend over a lot, from reaching, and you can use proper posture. Now when you're using these, make sure to keep your shoulders back, avoid hiking those shoulders up, okay? With gardening comes a lot of heavy tools and materials that have to be moved from place to place. It's important to use a wheelbarrow to transport them to avoid improper lifting techniques or injuring your back. But when you are lifting your wheelbarrow, make sure you're using your knees to come up and lift instead of just using your arms or your back to lift the wheelbarrow up. As you begin to garden and the weather gets warmer, if you are experiencing any aches and pains, please feel free to reach out to a physical or occupational therapist here at Freedom. There are so many different tools and a variety of modifications that we can help you make so that you can continue to enjoy gardening.